friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are fighting against different kinds of health issues. The reason we are not having food that gives good amount of nutrients, causing lack of immunity. Consuming delicious and tasty junk food may not have good amount of nutrients. As we all know, nutrients are essential for our good health. Friends, today I am going to show you the food that has good amount of nutrients and also manage body metabolism and increase immunity. So, I am going to use 20 types of food grains, 5 types of cereals, 5 types of pulses, 5 types of nuts and 5 types of spices. Let us see the benefits of these ingredients. Jowar. It contains a good amount of fiber, so it is good for diabetes and good for digestion and also helps in reducing weight. It's rich in source of protein and gluten-free. Ragi, rich in fiber, rich in protein. It contains calcium and vitamin D, helps in weight loss, good for diabetes and good for bones. Rice, what we take every day, gives instant energy and high in carbohydrates and proteins and also cholesterol free and gluten free. Maize, it is also called as corn. It's rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. It has a less carbs. Wheat, rich in carbohydrates and minerals, contains protein and sodium. It boosts our immune system and maintain blood circulation. Pulses, we must take only 10% of the cereals, which means if you are taking 1 kg of cereals, just take 100 grams of pulses. Nuts, we have to take 50 to 100 grams. Walnut, rich in antioxidants, helps in brain function, improves the blood fat, supports the male's reproductive system and reduces the risk of cancer. Almonds, good for heart, maintain skin health, support brain function, helps in weight loss, control diabetes, boost in immune system, increase good cholesterol. Peanuts, rich in fats, protein and fiber. It contains copper, good for skin and hair and controls the blood sugar, good for heart. Cashew nut, good for heart, hair and skin, rich in vitamins, good for eyesight, improves the bone health and nervous system, increase RBC and boost in immune system. Sesame seeds, rich in fiber, protein and vitamin B, contains good cholesterol and triglycerides, reduce inflammation, rich in antioxidants. Spices, just take 10 grams of each. Cinnamon, it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, very good for diabetes and weight loss, and it's also a remedy for infertility treatment. Fenugreek, reduce the inflammation inside the body, controls diabetes, improves the digestive system, good for hair loss, reduce the cholesterol and body temperature. Cardamom, it's also called as ilachi, it smells so good and it's good for gastrointestinal disorders. It's act as a mouth fresh, improves the respiratory system and oral health, cures the constipation. Cumin, it's also called as jeera. It improves digestion, prevents constipation, protects heart and liver health and helps in weight loss. Rich in vitamin E, A, C, cures bronchitis and asthma, cures piles, increase the metabolism. Clove, high in antioxidants, it can kill the bacteria, promote bone health, reduce stomach ulcer, protect against cancer, improves liver health. We have seen the benefits of all these ingredients. Now we need to grind all these ingredients to get a powder. To do that, let's fry them first. We'll start with cereals. Fry them nicely. Let them not roast too much, they give bitter taste. Don't fry over too much, they may pop up. If they pop up, we cannot make them proper powder. Same way even ragi pop up, and even maize also. Look at that, they are popping up. We have finished frying cereals, you can see here. Now let's fry the pulses. Unlike cereals, we can fry all the pulses at a time. We have finished frying the pulses. Now let's do the nuts. Nuts we cannot fry all together at a time, so we will fry one by one. First peanuts, then badam, then walnut, cashew nuts, then sesame seeds. We have finished frying all the nuts. Now let's fry all the spices one by one. We finished frying all the ingredients. Now we need to grind them nicely. First we need to grind pulses and spices together. We need to grind them till we get a fine powder. Because pulses may take long time for cooking. Now grind all the nuts together. Now grains. We have finished grinding all the ingredients. You can see here we got the powder. With this powder we can make a malt or dosa or laddu. For dosa we need to soak it for 1 hour. Then make a dosa. Same way even we can make malt. Drink every day 1 cup of this malt and you can boost your immunity. You can also make dosa for breakfast and you can eat. Apart from malt and dosa, so we can also make laddu. Children will enjoy this. So for that we need a jaggery and the ghee. So we just need to grind them once. It's smelling so good and taste also very good, and you'll definitely enjoy this, especially your children will enjoy this. Laddus are ready, you can see here. Delicious and nutrient food with 20 types of ingredients. Friends, at least eat 1 month regularly any of these malt, dosa, laddu. It may improve your immunity. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe for more videos.